Hello, I'm here at the Consumer Goods Emerging Markets Forum. I'm with Thierry Soudee, CEO of UpClear, and we're at this inaugural event talking about the challenges and opportunities for consumer goods executives entering emerging markets or markets that they're already a part of, but how they can strategize to do it better. Thierry, tell me, you're here because of the work you're doing with your clients abroad. Why is this an important event for you?
Thanks, Bill. It's a great platform to exchange best practices across different markets and learn from other companies that have had successes everywhere and exchange.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. One of the challenges that we hear a lot about is deploying systems across different markets. Every market's a little bit different. So how is it possible to balance global governance with local input, and how do you define standards across markets that are vastly different?
So, CG companies need to equip their countries with systems, and they need to do this very fast. Now, they don't want to end up with 50 different systems and 50 different partners globally. So, defining standards is mandatory. How do you do that is complex. Thinking that you can take a system that has been successful in the US and deploy it globally is a dream. So. Each market is different. Each market is evolving very fast. And of course, there's a cost issue as well. So you need to find a system that can be deployed fast, that can adapt and grow with the evolving markets. The good news is that the SaaS, software as a service way of deploying software today, provides more flexibility with that. We can deploy software fast. We can adjust this framework so it works for different markets, and tends to be the solution for emerging markets.
Yeah, interesting. SaaS has been big here domestically, but another area that's also a big issue domestically and that you guys are experts in is the trade promotion space. That has been and continues to be an issue that we're struggling to tackle over here. But how is it different in the emerging markets from what you're seeing here in the U.S.?
Yes, absolutely. So we do work in emerging markets as well as mature markets. And when it comes to sales and operations, these markets are very, very different. Now, you're right, trade promotions is global. Companies do spend 20%, and that is the case in Asia, in South America, in the US. Of course, the different maturity in the way they look at that spend requires adjustments. In emerging markets, the first thing you want to do is control how much you spend, financial control, and then you progressively move to planning, and then you move to analysis, and then you move to predictive modeling or optimization. So to be able to find standards, you need to find systems that can adjust and provide those different layers at different times.